Today, I have another Chef's Exquisite Cuisine video, so now you get 2 for the price of 1 day. Today, I'm making the classic mac and cheese cups, and yes, I use a fork to the people who use spoons. Now, these things are very difficult to make, even though they give you the instructions on the back. See? There, you can take a picture. Now, let's open this. Cheese. Now, what's the next instruction? Add water to fill line and cup. Stir. Okay. There. Now we have our wet, uncooked macaroni. Still says stir. Ugh, the water's cloudy now. Now microwave on high, uncovered for 3.5 minutes. 3 and add 30 seconds. From when we made popcorn. You can't see, but it's still cloudy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'll take them out to Roadhouse Bar. Oh, that's good to know. That's a good fun fact to know.
Ooh, hot microwave. Hot cup. And yay, the entire edge of the cup is soaking. Better. Mix in the cheese sauce. Yee. Oh, great, I spilled it.
Kind of just wing it.
Now stir. Yay. Now you have mac and cheese because it's so difficult to make. Thank you all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with another pointless video.